How to use Etsy Wholesale for bulk buying. Well, Etsy no longer operates a dedicated Etsy wholesale platform. Instead, it encourages sellers to use existing on-site tools to manage bulk, wholesale, or custom orders. Sellers can now utilize private listings, custom coupon codes, and bulk listing features to handle large volume transactions directly on Etsy.com. As a buyer, you can make wholesale order as well. How you can buy? Search for a wholesale or bulk listing. Use search terms like wholesale or bulk or lot, so you can wholesale round paid bed or wholesale dress and such. Then what you can do is you can proceed to add it to cart here, make a bulk purchase here. If a seller does not have a specific bulk listing, send them a message to inquire about wholesale pricing, which is currently 20% to 50% off from retail. Then to finalize a deal, ask the seller to create a private custom listing for your bulk order. This ensures all items are in one transaction. If necessary, provide your tax ID or business information, as many sellers require this to verify that you are a reseller. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.